Today's dish is quick baked pasta, family style. Sidebar: have you loved on the mate of your soul lately? Let's make a stick to your ribs comfort food meal. 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 pound ground beef, 2 garlic cloves, half cup, half and half, 3/4 cup of marinara sauce, 3/4 pound penne pasta, 1/4 cup Parmesan cheese, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, half a teaspoon of dried rosemary may also be added, salt and pepper to taste, and 1 cup of mozzarella cheese. Bring 4 quarts of water to a boil. While the water is coming to a boil, heat a large frying pan and add oil, beef, get it nicely browned, then add the garlic. Because my fingernails are very long, I called on the assistance of a crumb snatcher who has shorter nails to grate the garlic for us. Add the pasta to the boiling water. There's more than one way to drain oil from meat that has been cooked in the frying pan. An effective method I have discovered is simply utilizing paper towels directly in the frying pan. This removes the necessity to wash one more dish. Paper towel in, oil out. Easy peasy. Add all remaining ingredients except the mozzarella cheese and the pasta. Simmer the mixture while the pasta cooks until al dente. Drain the pasta and mix it with the sauce. Pour all into a 3-quart baking dish or whatever size baking dish you happen to have available to you, and top with the remaining cheese. Although it is not necessary, I have chosen to layer this dish and place cheese in between the layers and ending with cheese on top. Sidebar, you are multi-layered. Wifey, if you find yourself in an unequally yoked situation, I want you to realize that you are the mate to your soul. Therefore, do something special for your mate every day, even if it is something as simple as sipping a cup of tea while reading a book. You deserve it. Keep that between you, me, and the Stone Gate. Bake uncovered at 350 degrees for 25 minutes or until that cheese is
hot and bubbly.
Exactly. Serve this dish immediately while it is hot. Don't forget your side dish. Roasted cabbage goes wonderfully with it. And a quick, sweet treat to end the fare, applesauce dessert. That recipe is available on this channel. So whether you are feeling tired, distressed, or just want to get dinner on the table quickly, utilize this recipe and let me know how your family enjoys it. I truly want to know. The UHCEO. Shalom.